What's good, y'all? So today I'm gonna be unboxing my BB gun. Yeah, I kind of opened it because I wasn't sure if it was the BB gun or not, but it is. And then we got the other packets. Remember I told you I'm gonna order a big BB gun too, so it's in here. But I'm gonna unbox that today, but I'm gonna do it for a separate video, so I'm gonna upload it tomorrow. I'm gonna unbox it today though. But yeah, here it is. Yeah, this BB gun, I think this is a $10 BB gun right here, y'all. Look, $10 BB gun. The $5 BB gun, it came in too. I got everything came in today. So I'm gonna open this real quick for you guys. Airsoft gun, yeah. I just like to say BB guns. Everybody kept saying it's an airsoft gun, it's an airsoft gun. I call it a BB gun. It shoots BB, so it's basically a BB gun. I got it. Yeah, my collection is crazy now. Next I'm gonna do a collection video too. There's the box right here. The notice it comes with the safety notices, and then the gun. It's small, y'all. Oh, this feels very cheap. It feels very cheap. Well, it's a $10 gun, y'all. Look, my hand is bigger than the gun. Laser work at least? Laser doesn't work? Oh, that's lit. Oh, yes, sir. Why has to have the colorful lace? That looks like it looks childish. It is what it is though. Clip. And everybody kept saying it's not called a clip, it's called a magazine. Yeah, I'm not calling it a magazine. I'm gonna call it a clip. Yo, this is so little. It's like the size of my pinky. I'm gonna take off this notice. Is the danger, don't point at your eye or whatever. Hold up. Yeah, this gun feels cheap. It don't feel like it will break easily, but it just feels cheap. Not cheap, but light. Compared to my other one, look. Compared to this one's heavy. This one's heavy. Look at the difference in the size. I could block that one off. Look at the difference. But yeah, after I unbox all my BB guns, I'm gonna do a BB gun collection vid too as well. But yeah, this is the BB gun, man. I'm gonna see how it shoots. But remember, I'm gonna do a review on all of these guns as well, so I'm not gonna show you too much in this video, y'all. But just know my BB gun collection is about to be crazy, cause I'm gonna order more, y'all. Alright, let me put a BB in here. I just wanna see how it shoots. What am I gonna shoot at? I'm gonna shoot at the box. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna have the laser on, y'all. Hold up. So I'm gonna shoot at, now this box is too heavy. It's not gonna go through. Let me just shoot at. I'm shoot at this box. It's not gonna go through that box right there, but it is what it is. Ready? Oh, now it bounced back, y'all. Hey, it shoots good though. Oh yeah, this is lit. I like it. Just something to start off my collection, y'all. I have the big guns right here, y'all. I have the big boy guns right here. So trust me, my collection. This is just the start of it. A nice little $10 BB gun with the laser on it. And then y'all, right now I'm buying spring guns or whatever. These way I have to keep loading it back. The next guns I'm buying is hold on, I gotta bend down. I need to put the camera up. There we go. The next BB gun I buy is gonna be an electric gun that can shoot automatic. Then after that I'm gonna buy a gas. I think it's a gas tank or whatever it's called. And then I'm gonna get that one next. But yeah, this is the end of the video. I'm about to unbox the other one for a separate video. But yeah, y'all, make sure to like and subscribe, man. Road to 20K. We probably gonna hit it today. But yeah, y'all, remember, stay cool and peace.